Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is brought to you by the letter J for Jasmine Brown Girl. I'm just kidding. So today's video is a repeat. This is an encore. You guys wanted me to try another natural hair YouTuber's hairstyle because this is a trend that's going on, and I try hairstyle or I tried a makeup look from a popular YouTuber. So today I chose Jasmine Brown. I was going to do Lisette, but then I realized I didn't have her products. She has a lot of like expensive products, so I said, well, I need to do something quick. So I went to the store and I went to the store and I got Jasmine's go-to product. So this was only like $5 or $6. So I'm gonna try her hair wash and go. I've only done one wash and go on this channel. It was actually my first wash and go, and it was kind of, you know. So I'm gonna try and see if her hair routine is going to work on my hair. I don't know. I have a feeling that it won't, but just in case this right here is hair crack in a bottle, we're gonna see. So. Trying to give y'all a little intro tease here. I just tried to straighten this piece earlier. No. Oh.
So I have zero product in my hair, which I have to hurry up and comb it because
zero product.
No product in my hair dries super quick.
Okay,
so right now I have a wide tooth comb.
Wide tooth comb?
So
I don't have that.
Brush right down the middle.
But I'm gonna brush down the middle.
And then I split it in half.
Split this in half. Okay, we're gonna do half.
Now I start from the bottom.
Wow, she got wide tooth comb?
Work your way up.
Girl, I'm still trying to part my hair, girl.
And as I'm combing, I'm holding my hair so it doesn't hurt my scalp. You know what I'm saying? I'm not tender-headed or anything.
Okay.
I just don't like
holding it. Right, that's what you're supposed to do. You always hold your hair so it won't hurt you.
I'm going to use the olive oil, incredibly rich oil moisturizing hair lotion.
This is
I
it.
used to hate this stuff. Like, it weighs my hair down so much.
It does.
It's kind of greasy after. Like, it kind of stays on greasy.
Well, that's what we
and
need.
I hate that. But in the summer, my hair is super dry. I just do not put this throughout all of my hair. I only do a little bit.
We're gonna get some life. Come on through, girl. Oh, it came out. So this is the incredibly rich olive oil. They have a different bottle now. They're doing more branding. Shout out to ORS. It's infused with castor oil for strengthening. It adds shine and prevents breakage. Well, that's what I need because my hair is already broken. My hair is broken to pieces in shambles. So it is kind of thick. It's thick. So this would equate to like a leave-in for us other girls out here. We just gonna check box other because that's the kind of hair we got, other. You hear me? It's on some other stuff because it ain't. Yeah. But we gonna slather and lather it all over like Jasmine did because that's what's, she's the queen. We know what's going on. Okay, I see some curls coming through. This stuff is really thick. It's real thick. I mean, it's gumbo thick, like. Oh, there we go. Okay, so, you know, she put it all in here, all in here. Okay, all right, that's what we're doing. Oh, okay, I'm getting some curls here. I mean, it's white though. I hope she has another product that's gonna make it disappear because this is a little different here. I apologize in advance if my makeup starts to cry and tear up and it slides off my face because that's probably what it's gonna do. Yeah, this side is damaged over here. I think I detangled terribly one day. I must have been in a rush trying to do a hair video, and I'm probably going to have to cut my hair off on that whole side. I don't see curls forming yet on the other side, but we're gonna give it some more minutes. It might just decide to act up and, you know, show out for us. Okay. I see a little something going on. A little razzle dazzle, you know. Girl, I'm about to go through this whole bottle.
Go conditioner, and this is the same thing.
Okay.
Just the bigger bottle with the small bigger.
Conditioner. I have the mini travel size.
It will forever be my favorite.
Okay.
My hair straight back.
I'll brush it back. Okay.
I keep it parted in the middle.
Oh, wait.
For the olive oil because it's more moisturizing in the inside of my hair.
Oh, okay.
More of that.
That's what we're doing. Okay, girl. Okay.
My hair's so long.
My hair's so short. I'm not even gonna show y'all my length.
And one thing that I do that I have said, that I have mentioned in my past videos, is I do not part my hair. I just brush it all straight back.
Okay.
And I like the way the volume is. I feel like I get more volume.
More volume.
Straight back.
Girl, that's all I have is volume.
Because if I part it, then it's flat all on the top and then big, and I don't like that.
This one.
And like I said,
oh, it's kind of thick.
My hair
so this might work like a gel.
And it works best for me. Took me forever to actually find something that worked in my hair, and surprisingly, that conditioner was it.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put that throughout my hair.
Oh, it feels good.
And it's got like a thicker consistency, so it like keeps my curls together when it's drying.
Okay. Use a whole lot because let's see what she got doing.
Okay, and then I know a lot of people like these flat bristle brushes, and I have a soft one that I like for like flattening like the front of my hair, and then I have this wooden one, and this one is so hard, like it hurts my head. But this one works really well with pulling my curls together. So what I do is I get this brush.
So she has a brush.
I have so much hair everywhere.
I have a brush. So just
and
brush
I just like brush my hair with it because it like pulls my hair together.
Okay.
And gets all the frizz out.
All the frizz away. Okay. We don't have any more frizz.
It makes my curls so pretty.
Okay. Okay, Jasmeannn. I see what you're doing. I see, girl.
And with all this hair product in, it just like gets it all together, and I love it.
Okay.
And I'm not really pushing on my scalp. I'm just going on like the top part.
Oh, the top part.
I don't know if y'all can see.
Can y'all see?
See when I brush it like this, it like brings all my curls together.
Okay. Y'all see what's going on here? Okay.
And then before I go ahead and head out and let my hair air dry.
Air dry. This is the end product. She said let it dry, but we already know what my hair is gonna look like when it's dry. It's gonna look like this. Let me do something for real quick. Let me do something for y'all real quick, because I refuse to go out like this. It didn't work. So we're gonna let this sit for a little bit and see if the curls form and come. You know, they might come overnight like she said. So in the meantime, sis, I got you. That's what we gonna do, honey. There we go. Boom. All day, okay? This is what we gonna do. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I like these curls, I see. Okay, we're gonna put a little part there. And yeah, that's what we gonna do, because that's what I like. Put a little part there, and boom, we're done. Done. Thank you, Jazz girl, for that nice little tutorial. Girl. Yes. Now, what you thought, girl? I was not going out like that. But it was fun. My hair is too big. I should underneath. I could if I wanted it to be like a little cuter, I could you know, much flatter. I would put something under it, but we just gonna do this. There we go. Boom. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys how to refresh 3C curly hair. Okay, 3C. This is how you go from 4A to 3C. From my hair company. Links in the description box. 10% off. This is a lace closure unit. Yes, but it's normally much more defined. So thank you, Jasmeannn, for that, you know, tutorial. Obviously, what works for some do not work for others, girl. So, you know, this was just all in fun. So, check out my previous videos and see you guys, girl. I'm about to go slay and give me some ends like Jasmeannn, girl. Bye.